In this video, we will install, use, test, and uninstall FirewallD on a Debian machine. First, we update the package list to get the latest software information. Update the package index. Install FirewallD from the official Debian repository. Start and enable the FirewallD service. Now we explore basic FirewallD usage. Check the current active firewall zone. List services allowed in the default zone. Now we allow the HTTP service permanently. Reload firewall to apply the new rule. Verify that the HTTP service is now allowed. You can also list all open ports to confirm active rules. Now we remove the HTTP service rule. Reload FirewallD again to apply the removal. Now we will completely uninstall FirewallD. Stop and disable the FirewallD service. Remove FirewallD package from the system. Clean unused dependencies to keep the system clean. Remove the remaining FirewallD configuration files. Verify FirewallD is no longer available. And that was the full process of installing, using, testing, and uninstalling FirewallD on Debian. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, we help instructors create videos and educational materials for their own students. So if you need videos like this for your own channel or platform, check the first link in the description. Thanks for watching.